3 days ago, I asked Claude to run my morning trading check, and within seconds, it reviewed my entire trading setup, not just the chart, everything. My open positions, my alerts, my bots, my watch lists, my portfolio across multiple exchanges, and it immediately found issues I should have caught days ago. A trade down 28% with no stop loss, a winning position up over 20% with no protection, a breakout alert that had already fired, an inactive bot set up doing absolutely nothing. But the real value wasn't just the information, it was the prioritization. Claude didn't dump raw data on me, it gave me a clear action list. What needs attention, what deserves a closer look, and where risk is sitting exposed. Now, before you panic, no, Claude cannot start trading with your money on its own. And that's exactly why this matters, because what we build is not some black box AI trader making random decisions for you. It's a secure AI workflow layer for serious traders. Hi, I'm Kata from Altrady, and today I'm showing you something we've been incredibly excited to launch, the Altrady MCP server. And if you ever wished AI could actually help with your trading workflow instead of just giving generic opinions, you're going to love this. If you are into crypto trading and using AI to trade, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if this is something you actually use, because honestly, what you're about to see is just the beginning. Now, let's start with the problem. Trading today is fragmented. Charts are in one place, exchange dashboard somewhere else, alerts on your phone, bots in another tab, notes in Notion, maybe, or a spreadsheet, or nowhere at all. And if you trade across multiple exchanges, that complexity gets out of hand fast. You spend more time managing tools than actually focusing on trading. Now, the irony is AI got incredibly good at analysis, but until now it couldn't actually work inside your real trading workflow. That changes today. We built an MCP server for Altrady. Yes, MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. But honestly, the technical name isn't what matters. Here's what matters. Claude can now securely interact with your Altrady trading environment. That means it can help you review positions, scan markets, analyze setups, prepare trades, build bots, and manage workflows. With strict safeguards built in. It runs locally on your machine. Claude does not directly control your exchange account, and every action involving real money requires approval inside Altrady. Claude can prepare workflows and recommendations. Execution stays in your hands, exactly how it should be. And before we continue, one important note. This currently works only with the Altrady desktop app, because the MCP server runs locally on your machine. It won't work from the browser version. So if you are using Altrady in the browser, please switch to the desktop app first. Setup is actually real simple. Inside Altrady, go to Settings and open the MCP server tab. Enable it, copy the install prompt, paste it into Claude, approve the setup steps, restart Claude, and done, that's the setup. Now, let's see what this actually looks like in practice. Let's start with the workflow that changes everything for me. The morning check. Instead of manually reviewing positions, alerts, bots, and multiple accounts, I simply ask Claude to audit my trading environment. And within seconds, I get a structured breakdown. Open position, bot activity, portfolio exposure, alerts, market context. But more importantly, what actually needs attention. For example, that ICP live position down more than 30% with zero protection. A Bitcoin short that's already heavily profitable and may be ready to close or lock in. Conflicting near positions on the same live account. No watchlist configured, meaning no mover tracking for tomorrow. That changes the workflow completely, because instead of manually hunting through multiple screens and trying to piece things together, you start the day with clarity. And then you can act immediately. Now, let's take one of those real issues. That ICP position, down more than 30%, no stop loss, one of the most exposed live positions in the portfolio. This is exactly where I became useful, because instead of manually opening charts, checking structure and trying to figure out what the smartest move is, I can simply ask Claude to analyze ICP. And this is where things feel completely different, because Claude isn't just replying with text, it's interacting directly with Altrady environments. Indicators load, structure gets marked, support and resistance levels appear, risk zone becomes clear. This isn't AI commenting from the sidelines. It's working inside your actually trading workflow. Now let's say I want to protect that position. I tell Claude, help me protect this ICP position with proper risk management. Claude evaluates the current structure, looks at the position, calculates a risk-managed setup, prepares the protection plans, and then it stops. That part matters, because executions requires your approval inside Altrady, always. You review the adjustment, you approve it, then it executes. AI assistance, human control. Now, let's make it even more interesting. Let's talk about the trading bots, because bot setup can take time. So instead I can simply ask, build a grid bot for Sol based on recent volatility. Claude evaluates the recent price actions, defines a likely range, calculates spacing, builds the structure, prepares the bot setup, and once again waits for approval. What used to take multiple manual steps becomes a simple instruction. And it doesn't stop here. Position management becomes dramatically easier too. I can ask Claude to review my open positions. It identifies real portfolio issues. Missing stop losses, overexposed losing positions, profitable trades that should probably be protected, conflicting position, weak risk structure, and then recommends actions. Move this stop to break even, protect this profitable trade, reduce exposure here, reevaluate this weak position, and once again, you stay in control. The product isn't about replacing trader decision making, it's about improving workflows, reducing friction, improving discipline, making execution cleaner, helping traders spend less time managing complexity and more time making better decisions. That's where AI becomes genuinely useful. Not hype, actually utility. And honestly, we just started. Because once AI can securely interact with real trading workflows, the possibilities get really interesting. If you want to try it yourself, download the Altrady desktop app, open the MCP server settings, connect Claude, and start building your own workflows. And if you do try it, I genuinely want to know what you built. Drop it in the comments. And if you are into AI-powered trading workflows, automation, and smart crypto trading systems, make sure you are subscribed. We got a lot more coming. See you in the next one.